I've got an idea. Let's make you dumpling houses. Let's start with mine first. Oh, all right. Wow, so many slimes. Let's begin. Slime? Yep, we need it full of slime. So stretchy, so cool. And the color is so pretty. Let me help. Got it. And this one is so soft. Into the tank it goes. Mixing. Wow, paint the foam. Cutting it into pieces. Hey, they said no rain today. Spreading it all over every piece. Mixing. Let's add glitter. Ta-da! There's no such thing as too much glitter. Wow, look at that sparkle. I'll put on a glove so I don't get messy. And mix it well. Gotta reach the bottom. Look how pretty it turned out. LaLiLu, toss it here. Catch. Got it. Ooh, nice. Wrap it up. And now we've got a huge fluffy dumpling. What is that? We still need to paint it. Like this. Brighter. Adding eyes and a smile. All right, since it's ready, let's place it on the roof. I'm happy for you, but we need to decorate the roof. Hey, LaLiLu, what's that about? We need foam here, too. Unrolling it. I made this template. Boom. Lay the spot. The outline. Done. And what's that? Teeth. No teeth. Joining the tips. We need hot glue. Apply it on the sides, like this. LaLiLu, done. Great. Now glue all the pieces together. Ha! Yes! We've got this shape. What's that hole? Later. First, glue the base. Carefully. It's turning into a cute dumpling. Where's Rocky? Hey, we're not done. Can you hear me? Rocky, I need fabric. I've done my part. What if I do this? No piece. Fine. Where's my closet? Here. Thanks, let's see. Oh, someone's living here. Can you help find something? Yes, that's it. Perfect. Just a sec. Got it. Hey! Please take it. Fine, I'll... Where to? Put it here, on the dumpling. Get that off me! Oops. Hey! I helped. What's next? Wrap it neatly. Tuck the edges in. Looks amazing. The seam is invisible. LaLiLu, put it on the house. Right. Done. What do you think? Don't you think we forgot something? Shouldn't it have a face? Oh yes, you're right. Eyes and stuff. Drawing 2 circles on felt. Slightly squinty look. Cutting them out. Done. Something's missing. What do you think? Oh, thanks. Adding Rocky's piece. Now that's better. You know, I like it. It looks like me. Of course it does. It just needs horns like this. Wow, what a cool dumpling. Hey, where are you going? Stay here and don't fly away. Nice. So soft. Perfect roof. What's Lali doing? Hey, LaLiLu, look what I've got. Ta-da! Wow, a whole bunch of balls. Cool. These aren't regular balls. Here, we need a jar. Pour them in. Great. Open the pack. You can fill the container. The more colors, the brighter. So pretty. Now add water. Okay. Wow, they're growing. Whoa. They're Orbis. I love them. So fun to touch. Lali, quick, where do we put them? Hey, Rocky, got anything? I've got an idea. Catch! What? A frisbee? All right. Collecting all the Orbis. Done. Cover with plastic wrap. Do you like it? So soft. And here's a squishy pillow. Will there be a blanket? We'll make it from slime. Putting it into a zip bag. Adding glitter. Mixing with my fingers. Drawing a cute face. 1, 2, 3. It turned out cozy and soft. A stress relief blanket. All right, bestie, you can rest now. Sweet dreams. I'll take a little break. Oh, so cute. Hey, Lali, why aren't you sleeping? This lid, it looks like a dumpling. You're right. Let's coat it with clear polish. Like this. And add glitter. More glitter. Oh, I have an idea. What is it, Lali? Let's give it a face. Right. Adding eyes and a smile. Oops, not there. Now cheeks. And gems. Decorating the rim. That didn't work. Take 2. What? Oh, got it. Perfect. Hang it on a string. Yay, it's a chandelier. Let's hang it up. Amazing, I love it. The cute house turned out absolutely adorable. Now let's move on to the rock house. Woohoo! Yay! Oh, urgent delivery. LaLiLu Express. Thanks, little duck. What's inside? A soft dumpling rug. Oh, so cozy. Looks like this one's for you too. Thanks. Bring it in. Oh, there's something else. A gift? This one's for Rocky. Hey! Where is she? She fell asleep. Rocky! Rocky! Ah, what happened? Why did you wake me up? You've got a gift here. Whoa, nice. What's this? Anti-stress seeds? What do I do with them? This is awesome. Let's grow them. But I don't have a pot. 1 second. Boom. Now you do. Cutting off the extra. Done. Filling it with paper shreds. Hey, Rocky, pass the seeds. All right, let's try. Pour them in here. Now we just wait. Oops, I think I fell asleep. Done. So what do we have? Why didn't anything grow? We must have done something wrong. Don't worry, we'll just craft it ourselves. We'll need light clay. Lots of clay. Kneading a few pieces and shaping a big dumpling. I brought some varnish. Great, thanks. Coating the surface. Sprinkling glitter and placing it into the pot. Let's add eyes, like this. Look, it's smiling. Oh, what's happening? LaLiLu, is this supposed to happen? Our dumpling sprouted, wow! Oh, I guess we just needed to wait a bit longer. Now it needs watering. Here, have some water. LaLiLu, we've got a harvest. Look, tiny squishies. Oh, they're so cute. My little plant will live right here. There. Let's place a soft couch. Nice, my room keeps getting cooler. And I can watch it from the couch. Or jump on it. Woohoo! Hired! Where's the roof? It flew off to warmer places. Well, at least this dumpling can't fly. Ah, little duck, you're so cute. Hey, where are you going? I really wanted a pet. I think it's time for them to fly away. Idea! Let's make a living dumpling. Coloring clear film with a marker. Look, I've got a beard. Perfect, give it here. Rolling it into a ball and wrapping it with the colored side inside. Securing with a rubber band. Cutting off the excess. So soft. Now let's draw a face. Little eyes and a sweet smile. Hi, Lali. I'm your new friend. Wow, so cool. We're going to be best friends. Hey, where are you going? Wait. Phew, caught you. Let's make a house for it. Okay, hold your little rascal. Meanwhile, I'll cut a hole in the cup. Now we need to pick a color. Purple? Not that either. Yellow? Oh, perfect! Ooh, I love bead slime. Covering the house with it, it's a great material. Let's add some purple. Oh, that little face. So adorable. Let's add hearts too. Pop! Attaching them here. So cute. All right, the house is ready. Wow! Dumpling, here's your new home. Looks like the little one loves it. Hey, where are you going now? Why aren't you growing? Maybe we need a lamp? Let's try. We'll need a plastic ball. Splitting it in half and trimming one side. Placing it inside. It needs a face. Drawing it with a marker. There we go, adorable. Weren't you thirsty? Here you go, LaLiLu. I only need the straw. Attaching the piece and connecting it. And onto the stand. Great! Ta-da! The dumpling lamp is ready. So pretty. Turning it on. It works! Put it here. Perfect. The dumpling loves the light. Wow! Lali, check out my awesome house. It's got a lamp, a tree, and a couch. Wow, that's so cool. Huh? Something's happening. The tree is growing. Whoa! No way! Yay, new dumplings! I can't believe it! There are so many! Yay! Oh! The roof is back! Yay, I missed you! And that's how our amazing dumpling houses turned out today. Which one do you like more? Fluffy cute or edgy rock? Let us know in the comments. Bye-bye!